Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to take a deep dive into if this case is actually worth the price tag of $100 Canadian. Now this is a case from UAG. I did buy this with my own money, and obviously this one is one of the most rugged, heavy-duty UAG cases you can get for drop protection up to 25 feet. Now they do offer multi-layer protection, built-in premium materials, traction grip, and protective screen surround. Let's take a look and see if this case is actually worth it. Now, as you can see on the inner part of the case, you got that honeycomb inner liner with a outer shell that is a TPU flexible type of material. Now, I'm always checking to see if this is flimsy because our camera plateau is very delicate these days because of the bigger outline of the iPhone 17 Pro camera bump, essentially. So just wanted to take a look at that. And you don't have a camera control cutout. You got that honeycomb design on the side for traction grip and the differential buttons there that are outlined, and they are sticking out with some inner layers that are open, which will attract dust eventually into your buttons. And just going over the case to see if there's any other branding but the back there. So this is a UAG tough case, the Monarch Pro. So let's take a look and see how this fits in the case, and let's just pop her in. Not a big snap into the case as you would expect from UAG this time around. If you've watched my previous video, I did kind of, give more of a negative feedback towards this case comparing to the other case for value wise, and you'll see why. So let's take a look at the case. This still has the open camera control button, which, as you can see, is open enough for you to get your fingers in and out of. I still think at this point we should have the camera control button, but unfortunately we don't. And the buttons are very clicky, tactile, and responsive, so no issues with button control whatsoever. It's nice and clicky all around. It's a nice, beautiful carbon fiber inlay on the inside for the MagSafe. I do like this design a lot. I do think this will protect your phone up to 25 feet. I don't think so. It might, but I just don't think that 25 feet is sufficient for the type of case that this offers really for your phone, because honestly I think this is just something very simple. It's just like a TPU PC type of case. Screen lip, you got plenty of screen lip there. I do have a tempered glass screen protector now applied to the phone, so as you can see, plenty of screen depth lip there. Your cutouts are there, 2 lanyard holes on each side. There's no flap to cover. Handling grip wise, it feels heavy, but not too heavy. It kind of feels blocky in the hand, if you know what I mean, just because it's more squared off. But it does look beautiful. Like, I do like the design of this case. I like the accents that lead up to the camera plateau. I think, just the overall design is aesthetically pleasing. I wish they would kind of make this more rounded off instead of, I don't know, I don't like these corners, just that's my opinion. I think they should be more like this instead of like this, but that's just a aesthetically design thing that I'm nitpicky on. Now the camera is very protective. It's actually laid in there quite deep. It doesn't do justice on this video, but I'm telling you, it is very deep. But if you're really cautious and curious and worried, I would just get camera lens protectors, which I don't believe in. And is it worth the price? I don't know. because this is what really worries me, is the fact that it seems very flimsy, very easy to pull off on the corners. So if I was to drop this, especially on a corner, I feel like this would slide out or pop out. I'm not saying it'd fly out, but depending on how high you drop it, not up to 25 feet, I'd hope. But it's so easy to pull off. And the frame bleed on some cases for the 17 Pro series is notable, as you could see around the outside. Like if you have the Cosmic Orange, you're gonna see that bleeding through the side of the case, which tells me that the fitment is not that good, as you can see here. Fitment is everything when it comes to protection, and being advertised as a 20-foot drop protective case, especially at $100, at this price point you would expect a lot better quality in regards to fitment and at least having a camera control button. In my honest opinion, I love UAG cases, but this is not it. Because of the frame bleed and the fitment issues, I think, especially if I was to drop this on a corner and the camera control button being, obsolete for the opening at this point. We're 2 years into having the camera control button. We should have it now. But overall, the quality is good, don't get me wrong, but this is a no-go for me. And personally, if you're going to spend $100 on a case, there's plenty of other options out there, but this case is not it. And I would stay away from UAG series this year, because essentially even the Pathfinder case, the Monarch Pro, which is this case, and the Plasma XTE and all the other cases are gonna have that frame bleed, which tells me the fitment issues are not great. And to be honest, I don't trust any case that shows frame bleed. That's just me. But as a tech reviewer and a niche case reviewer, I'm very critical when it comes to things like this, and I always look for perfection and imperfections when it comes to cases, and this case ain't it, guys. I'm sorry. But when using MagSafe though, the last thing I want to talk about in this video, it is decent, not strong at all. I would say it's a 4.5 out of 10. As you can see, it's pretty insufficiently holding on to the device, and at the price point of $100, in my honest opinion, it will do fine, especially on my car mount. Going over bumps and everything, it'll stay situated, but it does its job, but it's not strong. So for $100, this is a no-go for me. Any thoughts or concerns about this case, leave a comment, subscribe, and like, and don't forget to ring that bell notification. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.